want to do something special. So is there something you could say to that idea that math is hard? Should it be made easy or should it be hard?
So I think maybe I want to dig in a little bit onto this hard part and say, I think the interesting thing about the math is that you can see a question that you didn't know how to start doing it before. And over a course of thinking about it, you can come up with a way to solve it. And so you can move from a state of not being able to do something to a state of being able to do something where you help to take yourself through that instead of somebody else spoon-feeding you that technique. So actually here I'm already digging into maybe part of my teaching philosophy also, which is that I actually don't want to ever just tell somebody, here's how you do something. I actually prefer to say, here's an interesting question. I know you don't quite know how to do it. Do you have any ideas? I'm actually explaining another way that you could try to do teaching. And I'm contrasting this to a method of, watch me do this, now practice it 20 times. I'm trying to say a lot of people consider math to be hard because maybe they can't remember all of the methods that were taught. But for me, I look at the hardness, and I don't think of it as a memory hardness. I think of it as a, can you invent something hardness? And I think that if we can teach more people how to do that art of invention in a pure cognitive way, not as hard as the actual hardware stuff, right? But like in terms of the concepts and the thoughts and the mathematics, teaching people how to invent, then suddenly, actually, they might not even find math to be that tiresomeness hard anymore, but that rewardingness hard of, I have the capability of looking at something which I don't know what to do and coming up with how to do it. I actually think we should be doing that, giving people that capability.